Good evening, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again. And while I'm revising this project, I got confused with something else with my documentation. And I noticed that our friend in Facebook, RR Hernandez, also mentioned this one about the views in Dialux Evo. And she said the view selection has been removed. If not, I'd like to ask how to include in the documentation showing the false color and ISO as well. And PS, not in the description selection. So I also encountered the same because when I look at it in the list of the pages that I want to include, I cannot find the views anymore. So what I noticed is there is a description tab here, and if you go to the edit, you can include other pages or not include or include other pages like the description. And under the description, you can configure it, and from there you can add the images. So for example, I want to add the images like this, or maybe I want to remove this and then go and back to page view, and then from there you can see, yes, these are the new images generated. And you can see something is wrong. It's actually, you can add a description here. When you configure it, it will tell you a description. For example, let's just copy some description here. Okay, let's just copy this one, Control C. Let's just imagine that this is the description of site 1 here, and then when I click this one again, I will just put a description, say like this one, and then when I go back to the page view, see the description is now, where is my description? Okay, it goes only up in this one. Okay, let me click this one and add a description. Yes, go back to the preview, and there you go. Now you can add a description on your pages. But I noticed that this one is bigger and this one is not bigger, and I cannot, I don't know why it's like this. Okay, it's not a similar size. So okay, to answer the question of RR, yeah, you can only add those images in the description pages. You can have it in the story or in the site. So for example, I will remove some of it and say I will add this original picture and this one and this one. These images are not ray traced. Nothing is ray traced from my export tab. And you can see in the result, yes, some are big and some are small. Okay. Now I understand. I think the one with the false color is really small, while this one and this one is the same size. Alright. I think it depends on how I export. I save image here. So when I close this one, it becomes wider, and then if I add ISO lines in the view, save new view, then it becomes smaller. That's why the size in the report is also different. Okay, so that's how you add the pictures. There is no views anymore. You can add your images in the description page. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this Dialux Evo 9.0. Okay, so that's it. See you again on the next video. Bye.